Hello student, today we'll start next question, question number 30. So in this question it is given that a box contains 12 electric lamps of which 5 are defective. A man selects 3 at random. What is the expected number of defective lamps in his selection? So in this question total number of lamps are given to 12. So we denote it by population, a lot, total number of outcomes, all these things known as population. So this is the capital letter N. It is always denoted by capital letter N. And the sample or whatever we are selecting, that is known as sample, and sample is denoted by small letter n. So we are selecting 3 from 12. So our sample is 3, our population is 12. In our population of 12 lamps, defectives are 5. This is given in the question. Out of 12, 5 are defective. It means, so I have denoted that by D. So it means non-defectives are 7 because total lamps are 12. So D dash means non-defective. Now, if we select 3 from 12, so what will be the sample space? Sample space will be 12C3, means we are selecting 12. We are selecting 3 from 12. So 12C3 will be our sample space. Now why I have written this sample space? I will explain you. So in this question, what we need to find, what is the expected number of defective lamps in his selection. So for solving such question or to find the probability distribution in any question, first we need to find the variable x. What is the value of variable x, or what x defines. So in this question, what is x? Lamps, defectives or non-defectives. 3 things are there. Number, only general number of lamps, or defective lamps or non-defective lamps. So first we should know what is the meaning of x. So see, to know what is x, every time read the question. Here question is what is the expected, what is who's expected? Expected of defective lamps. What we need to find? Expected means expectations of defective lamps. So x will be defective lamps because we need to find expectation of defective lamp. A same question was about non-defective. At that time x will become non-defective. But here x is defective. So x means number of defective lamps. Now we are going to select 3 lamps. In that, your x is denote number of defective lamps. So when we select 3 lamps, at that time what will happen? All the 3 can be defective, right? Because x is denoting the number of defective lamps. So we have to write the possibilities. Means if we select the number of defective lamps and our selection limit is of 3, then how many defectives we can include in our sample? So we can include all the 3 lamps, or none lamp, or 1 or 2. So it depends on the situation, which situation out of this will going to happen. But we don't know, so we have to write all the possibilities. So x means number of defectives can be either there will be no defective, or 1 defective, 2 defective, 3 defective. Like this, x will take value 0, 1, 2, 3, but it will not take value greater than 3 because our selection is of only 3 units, 3 lamps. So we cannot cross 3. Now to find expectation, we know that expectation of anything include its probability also. This is the general formula, right? Whenever you find expectation of anything, you need probability. So here we have to write the probability of this x range 0, 1, 2, 3. So we should know the probability of this. So what we have to know? We have to find when our defective bulbs are 0, what is the probability of 3 non-defective? Because there is defective or 0, then all 3 are non-defective. So we have to find that probability. Here we have to find the probability of 1 defective and 2 non-defective. Here we have to find the probability of 2 defective and 1 non-defective. And here the probability of 3 defectives and non-defective एक भी नहीं आएगा. So ये सारी probability find करने के बाद हम यहाँ लिखेंगे that will be our probability distribution. After writing that, we can find expectation of x or expectation of defective lamps. So for what we need to find, I will write like this. First 0 के लिए हम find कर रहे हैं. So x equal to 0 लिया तो probability क्या आएगी? x equal to 0 means defective balls are 0. So means हमको defective ball select ही नहीं करने. पूरे के पूरे 3 जो है वो नॉन डिफेक्टिव ऐसे सेलेक्ट करना है. सो नॉन डिफेक्टिव कितना है 7. उसमें से मैंने 3 सेलेक्ट कर लिए. 7C3. दिस इज द फेवरेबल. टोटल सैंपल स्पेस विल बी व्हाट 12C3. मींस जनरल 12 में से कौन से है सैंपल स्पेस कोई मैटर नहीं है, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, कोई इफेक्ट नहीं गिरता कि सैंपल स्पेस में क्या आ रहा है. सो हमने डिफेक्टिव नॉन डिफेक्टिव का पूरा कलेक्शन में 12 ले लिया और 12 में से हम 3 सेलेक्ट करेंगे. सो सैंपल स्पेस इज 12C3. नाउ विल सॉल्व दिस. दिस इज इक्वल टू 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial. 7 minus 3 4 factorial. This is 12 factorial. 3 factorial ऊपर जाएगा. 12 minus 3 9 factorial. Now this 3 factorial get cancelled. Okay. 9 factorial we can cancel this by 12 factorial. We will write here 12 into 11 into 10. And here 9 factorial get cancelled with this 9 factorial. Now see 7 factorial can be written as like this. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. Then we'll cancel this 4 factorial by this 4 factorial. Okay, now what is remaining term? We'll write here 7 into 6 into 5. Numerator is only this much and denominator contains 12 11 10. 12 11 10. Again we can cancel this one 2 times. This 1 time, this 2 times. So 2 into 2 4 into 11 44. That is equal to 7 by 44 is the probability of 0 defective. Second case, 1 defective means what we need to find? Probability of x equal to 1 defective. Means in our sample there will be 1 defective and the remaining 2 will be non-defective. So we'll select 1 defective from defective balls. Defective balls are 5. So it will be 5C1 into. Now we have to find the complete sample. So remaining 2 is also important to select. So we'll select remaining 2 from this 7. So this will become 7C2 whole divided by sample space 12C3. We have written this. Now we'll solve this. 5C1 means 5 factorial upon 1 factorial. 5 minus 1 4 factorial. 7C2 means 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 7 minus 2 5 factorial. 12C3 means 12 factorial divided by 3 factorial आएगा वो ऊपर चला जाएगा. So 3 factorial. 12 minus 3 9 factorial. Now this 5 factorial, this 5 factorial cancel and we can cancel this 4 factorial by this 7 factorial and 9 factorial with this 12 factorial. So what is remaining? 7 factorial में से 4 factorial cancel हो गया तो क्या बचा? 7 into 6 into 5. Directly I am writing. Here it is 2 factorial. If we cancel 2 factorial with this 3 factorial तो वहाँ पे सिर्फ 3 रह जाएगा. And 9 factorial we cancel 9 factorial by this 12 factorial. So if we cancel 9 factorial then in 12 factorial what will remain? 12 into 11 into 10. That's it. 12 into 11 into 10. Because if we split this then there will be into 9 factorial and that 9 factorial we are getting cancelled with this. Okay. So all the terms are cancelled. 3 factorial में जैसे 3 रह गया, 2 factorial कट हो गया, 4 factorial कट हो गया. Okay. Now this 1 time and this 2 times. 1 time, 2 times. Okay. So what is this? 4 into 11 44 and this is 7 into 3 21 by 44. This is the second probability. First probability is this, second probability is this. Now third probability of x equal to 2 means from defective we'll select 2. Okay. So that is equal to 5C2 because 5 are defective, and from non-defective means from 7 we'll select 1 divided by 12C3. Now what is the value of 5C2? We can do this by imaging also. 5 factorial by 2 factorial, 3 factorial. This is 10 into 7C1, 7 1 6. So it will be only 7. And 12C3 will be like this. If we write 12C3, the 9 factorial get cancelled and what will remain? 12C3. 3 factorial here and 12 into 11 into 10. 12 into 11 into 10 into 3 factorial. If you solve this in rough, you will get the same term. So now this 10 and 10 will cancel. 3 factorial means 6. So this 1 time and this 2 times. So this probability is equal to 7 divided by 22. Third probability is 7 divided by 22. Now last one, when we'll select all the defective means for 3. So for a probability for x equal to 3. So it will be 5C3 and no need to select anything from non-defectives divided by 12C3. 5C3. So it will be 10. And this will be 12 into 11 into 10, 9 factorial, 9 factorial cancel and 3 factorial will be here. 6, so this will be 2 times. This 10 and this 10 will cancel, so this quality is 1 by 20. Now we are having all the qualities, so we'll put here. Okay. Now, this is our distribution of x. Okay, right here. For x, values are 0, 1, 2 and 3. And probabilities are here. First probability 7 by 44. Second probability is 21 by 44. Third probability 7 by 22. And last probability 1 by 22. So these are what? All the probabilities. To check whether this probability means we have calculated right or not, we can take the sum of all this. If we add, we will get 7 by 44 plus 21 by 44, it will be 28 by 44 plus 8 by 22. If we take LCM, LCM will be 44 and here it is 22 and 22 2s are 44, so 8 2 into 16. So 44 divided by 44 equal to 1. The sum of all probabilities is equal to 1 means our calculations are right. Now, expectation of x means expectation of defective lambs is equal to summation of x into p of x. That is equal to. Now 0 into 7 by 44 is 0. Then also I am writing 1 into 21 by 44 plus 2 into 7 by 22 plus 3 into 1 by 22. First value is 0 plus 21 divided by 44 plus 11. You can write like this also. Or okay, now we put this term as it is. We are not cancelling these two terms as it is written 14 by 22 plus 3 by 22 because we have to take LCM. So it will be easy to take LCM if common term is there. So first we'll take the LCM of these two so that we can add directly because denominator is same. So 14 plus 3 17 by 22. So 21 by 44 plus 17 by 22, that is equal to, we are taking the LCM 44 this is 21 plus 2 times, so 17 into 2 34 sum 55 by 44. This will be the expected value of the number of defectives. Okay. Given that module draws 2 balls from a bag containing 3 white and 5 red balls, he gets rupees 500 if he draws a white ball and rupees 200 if he draws a red ball. What is his expectation? If he is asked to pay rupees 400 for participating in the game, would he consider it a fair game and participate? So what is the question? So यहाँ पे कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे कि ये क्या है, मीन्स 500 200 क्या दिया है. सो बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है, कुछ नहीं है, थोड़ा सा लेंथी दे दिया है, इसलिए हमको पढ़ने में टाइम लगेगा और उसको पढ़ने के बाद आपको 1 मिनट उसको ध्यान समझना है. आप आंसर आपको सामने होगा कि यहाँ पे पूछ क्या रहा है. यहाँ पे ऐसा है कि मॉड्यूल क्या कर रहा है, एक पर्सन है जो एक बैग में गिवन बॉल्स है वाइट 3 एंड रेड 5. टोटल बॉल 8 है, उसमें से वाइट 3 है एंड रेड 5 है, और वो 2 बॉल ड्रॉ करने वाला है। उसमें क्या दिया है कि अगर वो एक वाइट बॉल निकालता है, इफ़ ही ड्रॉज 1 वाइट बॉल ही विल गेट ₹500, और इफ़ ही ड्रॉज 1 रेड बॉल ही विल गेट ₹200। वो गेम एक उसकी कंडीशन ऐसी है कि अगर वाइट बॉल आया तो ₹500, रेड बॉल आया तो ₹200। लेकिन इस गेम को प्ले करना है, अगर इस गेम में पार्टिसिपेट करना है तो पार्टिसिपेशन की फ़ीस है ₹400। तो उसको पहले तो 400 रुपये देने हैं, तब वो गेम खेल पाएगा, तब उसको वाइट बॉल पे 500 और रेड बॉल पे ₹200 मिलेंगे। पहले उसको 400 रुपये देने हैं, राइट। तो यहाँ पे उनको पूछा गया है कि क्या मॉड्यूल को इस गेम में पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए या नहीं। तो हमें क्या करना है, खुद को इमेजिन करना है कि अगर मैं कोई गेम में 400 रुपये पे करती हूँ तो एटलीस्ट 400 वापस आ जाने चाहिए या 400 से ज़्यादा आने चाहिए। 400 तो आने ही चाहिए ना, अदरवाइज ऐसा गेम प्ले करके मतलब कि वहाँ पे हमारा लॉस हो जाए। तो नॉर्मल हम क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि हमारा प्रॉफिट होना चाहिए। तो हमारा जो भी प्रॉफिट है, वो जो भी अमाउंट हमको मिलने वाला है, अगर वो 400 या 400 से ज़्यादा है, एट द टाइम वी कैन से दैट उसको पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए। तो हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे हमको यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन ही दिया है, व्हाट इज़ हिज एक्सपेक्टेशन, उसकी एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या होगी, मीन्स उसकी एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू क्या होगी, मीन्स जो हम अभी तक एक्सपेक्टेशन फाइंड करते हैं, एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स वो क्या होगी। तो हमें वही फाइंड आउट करना है, हमें एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स फाइंड करना है। बट इस क्वेश्चन में एक्स क्या है, सो ये सोचना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि इस क्वेश्चन में एक्स क्या है। बॉल का कलर, कितने बॉल ड्रॉ कर रहा है वो नहीं, उसकी एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या है, मनी, क्योंकि उसको क्या मिलने वाला है, 400 पे करेगा, गेम खेलेगा, एट द एंड उसको पैसा मिलने वाला है। तो उसकी थिंकिंग अभी किसके बारे में है कि मुझे कितना मिलेगा, उसकी एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या है, इसकी एक्सपेक्टेशन मनी के लिए है। तो हमें एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ मनी निकालना है। तो एक्स क्या होगा, एक्स विल बी मनी, सो एक्स विल बी द अमाउंट इन रुपीज, एक्स विल बी द अमाउंट इन रुपीज। सो यहाँ पे दिया है हमको बैग है, ठीक है, बैग में 2 कलर है, वाइट और दूसरा कलर है रेड। वाइट कलर के 3 बॉल है एंड रेड कलर के 5 बॉल है, राइट। वो 2 बॉल ड्रॉ करने वाला है। सबसे पहले सैंपल स्पेस निकाल के एक बार रख देंगे ताकि हमारा एक बड़ा काम हो गया। तो सैंपल स्पेस क्या होगा, एन ऑफ एस। एन ऑफ एस में हम क्या करेंगे, हमको सैंपल स्पेस में कोई लेना देना नहीं होता है कि वाइट आए या रेड आए, नो मैटर, कोई भी आने दो। तो हम दोनों को मिक्स कर देंगे। 3 + 5 8, 8 में से अब 2 सेलेक्ट करेंगे। इन हाउ मेनी वेज, 8C2 वेज। सो एन ऑफ एस विल बी 8C2। इसको हम बाद में सॉल्व करेंगे। सैंपल स्पेस निकाल के रख दिया। अब हमको एक्स हमने लिया अमाउंट इन रुपीज़। तो अमाउंट इन रुपीज़ क्या क्या होगा, सो कितने कितने रुपए मिलेंगे। एक वाइट बॉल पे 500, वो तो 2 ड्रॉ करने वाला है। तो बॉल जब वो 2 ड्रॉ करेगा तब उसको कौन से बॉल मिलेंगे। सो हम यहाँ राइट लिखेंगे, ही कैन ड्रॉ 2 white balls और 1 white and 1 red। एक ऐसा होगा, एक ऐसा होगा, और 2 red balls। In this way he can do his selection, either 2 white, 1 red, 2 red। So what will be the probability distribution? So we'll write कि 2 white balls आने पे क्या होगा, 1 white 1 red आने पे क्या होगा, और 2 red आने पे क्या होगा। So we'll write x first. See, this is not x, this is the what value x can take, ये बता रहा है कि 2 white आने पे x को कितने रुपए मिलेंगे, एक वाइट एक रेड आने पे x कितने रुपए होगा, और 2 रेड आने पे x कितने रुपए होगा। सो x में हम अमाउंट लिखने वाले हैं, डिफरेंट अमाउंट। तो वो अमाउंट कब मिलेगा, जब बॉल ड्रॉ होंगे। तो बॉल ड्रॉ होंगे तब क्या क्या होगा, तो 2 वाइट हो सकते हैं, 2 रेड हो सकते हैं, एक वाइट और एक रेड हो सकता है, वो सब पहले लिखना है। अब जब 2 वाइट होंगे तो उसको कितने रुपए मिलेंगे, एक वाइट पे 500 है, तो 2 वाइट पे मिलेंगे 1000, राइट। एक वाइट एक रेड, मतलब वाइट के लिए 500, रेड के लिए 200, सो दोनों मिला के हो गए 700। थर्ड 2 रेड, मतलब 200 इंटू 2 400 रुपीज़ उसको मिलेंगे। अब हमको प्रोबेबिलिटी लिखनी है, बिकॉज ये प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है। 1000 की प्रोबेबिलिटी, तो हम ऐसा अगर मैं डायरेक्ट नहीं लिखती 1700 400, तो आप 1000 की प्रोबेबिलिटी कैसे फाइंड करते हैं। 1000 क्या है, इसलिए उसके ऊपर लिखा है 1000 तो अमाउंट है, लेकिन कब है, 2 वाइट आने पे। तो हमें 2 वाइट की प्रोबेबिलिटी बतानी है। तो 2 वाइट बॉल आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी? सो हम ले लेंगे 3 वाइट है, 3 में से 2 सेलेक्ट करेंगे. सो आई विल राइट हियर प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ x इक्वल टू 2 वाइट आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी लिख रहे हैं हम, राइट. सो 2 वाइट मीन्स 3 में से हम 2 सेलेक्ट कर लेंगे वाइट. और टोटल कितना है? सैम्पल स्पेस पहले ही बनाया है 8c2. इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. 3c2 will be 3 factorial by 2 factorial into 1 factorial only 3. 8c2 8 2 6. So 6 कट हो जाएगा. 8 into 7 it will be 28. 3 by 28 first probability. Second probability of x equal to 1 white and x equal to 1 red. इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी तो हम व्हाइट में से एक लेंगे, रेड में से एक लेंगे. सो 3c1 into 5c1 divided by our sample space. That will be 3c1 will be 3, 5c1 will be 5 and 8c2 is 28. So 15 by 28 is the probability. Last probability of x equal to 2 red. Now we are going to draw 2 red balls from 5. So it will be 5c2 divided by 12, not 12, 8c2. 8c2. 5c2, 5 factorial by 2 factorial to 3. So 3 3 get cancelled. 5 into 4, 20 by 2. It will be 10 divided by 8c2 is 28. 10 by 28. We'll put all these value as it is in this probability distribution. So first probability is 3 by 28. Second probability is 15 by 28. Third probability is 10 by 28. Now last question. We'll find the expectation of x. Now what will we do with expectation of x? Why we are going to find the expectation of x? First it is asked in question. So we are going to find the expectation of x. But what is the use of that expectation? How will you answer this question that would he participate or not? मीन्स उन्होंने पूछा उसे पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए या नहीं. तो हम एक्सपेक्टेशन के ऊपर से बता सकते हैं कि उसे पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए या नहीं. तो एक्सपेक्टेशन फाइंड करना ही है हमें. तो उसकी जो वैल्यू आएगी उसको हम ये 400 के साथ कंपेयर करेंगे, राइट. तो एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू अगर 400 से ज़्यादा आई तो विल से दैट उसको पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए. लेकिन अगर छोटी आएगी तो उसको पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करना चाहिए. सो बाय यूजिंग दिस प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन विल फाइंड एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स. नाउ what is expectation of x? Expectation of x is summation of x into p of x. Okay, we write here. First, what is the value of x? 1000 into 3 by 28. First value 1000 into 3 by 28 plus 700 into 15 by 28. 700 into 15 by 28 plus 400 into 10 by 28. Now this will be equal to 3000 by 28 plus 10500. 10,500 by 28 plus 4000 by 28. Now take sum. Direct LCM will be there because denominator is same. Now 3000 plus 10,500 plus 4,000 will be equal to what? 3 plus 4 7 and 10,500 plus 7,000 will be 17,500 divided by 20. You can divide this probability, this expected amount, you will get the expected value. So we will solve it completely because we have to compare this value with 400, that is the participation fees. Now 17500 we divide 28. So 6 times, we can write it 6 times. Okay. 4 148, right? Difference 168. Now 15 minus 8 it will be 700. So 6 time हो गया. Now 28, so 2 times you get 10 only. 56, difference is 41, 40. Now 5 times 140, complete. It is divided by 28. 17,500 is completely divided by 28. 625 times means when you play the game, your expected amount will be, means your expected amount is what mean your average amount will be 625. On an average you will get 625 rupees. Either you can get you will get 2 white or 2 red or 1 white and 1 red. In any situation your average amount will be near about 625 rupees, 625 rupees, and your participation fees is equal to 400 rupees. So your expected amount is more than 400, so this will be a fair game, so you can participate, so module can participate in this game. So here 625 is greater than 400, therefore it is a fair game. Module can. Question number 32. A number is selected at random from a set containing the first 100 natural numbers. Means in this in first line what we are doing, we are selecting a number from a first 100 natural numbers, and another number is selected at random from another set containing the first 200 natural numbers. First number is selected from first 100 natural number, and second number is selected from first 200 natural numbers. And then what is the expected value of the product? So here we will consider first set. First set is of first 100 natural number, will denote it by x, and in this we are having first 100 natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, so on up to 100. See, this question is asking us the expected value of the product. So I will explain you what is the meaning of that product, but you are clear, means in this question we need to find expectation, and to get expectation for anything we need the probability distribution, means x as well as the probability of x, right? So here the first set is x, which is having value like this up to 100. What will be its probabilities? What will be its probabilities? So this is very simple case. 1 to 100 numbers are there, and if you want to select any of the number, then the probability of selecting any number is 1 by 100. Okay, means you are selecting only one. That's why out of 100 you are selecting one. So 1, and total are 100. So divided by 100. So this will be for 1. For getting 1, probability is 1 by 100. For 2, probability is 1 by 100. For 3, probability is 1 by 100. For 4, probability is 1 by 100. Similarly, for 100, probability is 1 by 100, right? Suppose, see, this is the collection of number 1, 2, 3, so on up to 100. And you want to select the one number from this. Okay. So what will be your sample space? What will be your sample space? Your sample space will be of 100. N of S will be of 100. Because from 100 आपको एक select करना है ना. So 100 C1 will be what? 100 factorial upon 1 factorial. 100 minus 1, 99 factorial. If we cancel 99 factorial with 100 factorial, we'll get only 100, because it is 100 into 99 factorial, and this 99 factorial will cancel. 1 factorial means 1. What is the value of sample space? So value of sample space is 100 C1, which is equal to 100. Okay. Now that's why here in denominator everywhere there is 100. Now why it is 1 by 100, 1 by 100 like this? Why numerator is having only 1? Because what is 1 by 100? Which probability is 1 by 100? 1 by 100 is the probability of selecting one only. And your in this set, 1 to 100 is the set of first 100 number. In this set, 1 is only one time. So when we go to select 1, we have only one choice. So our favorable is 1. For same for 2. जब हमको 2 चाहिए तो पूरे सेट में एक ही तो 2 है, तो हमारा फेवरेबल एक ही है, तो ये एक आ गया. और सिमिलरली सबके लिए, तो सबकी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या आ गई? 1 by 100. So this is the reason why the probabilities are same for all. ये हो गया पहले सेट x के लिए. नाउ सेकंड नंबर जो है वो सेकंड सेट से सेलेक्ट होगा, और सेकंड सेट को हमने y से डिनोट किया, और उसमें 1 to 200 नेचुरल नंबर है. सो 1 2 3 so on up to 200. Now what will be the probability of y? Same, but not 1 by 100. Now this time it will be 1 by 200 because our sample space will be of 200 numbers. Okay, so now this is 1 by 200, so on, so on, so on. This is 1 by 200. What will be the expectation of x and what will be the expectation of y? Okay, we'll go for expectation. Now again we'll come to our main question. What is the expected value of the product? What is the expected value of the product of whose? Product of the two sets. What we want? Expected value of the product of two sets. Expected value of product of two sets. First set is x, second set is y. We want this. And in the properties of expectations, I have explained you, expectation of x into y is equal to expectation of x into expectation of y when x and y are independent. ये सेट 1 इज नॉट डिपेंड ऑन सेट 2 बिकॉज इसके अंदर जो 100 आने वाले हैं वो एक अलग ही तरीके से होने वाला है, और इसके 100 मतलब हमको ये वाले 100 में से हमारा 1 नहीं आने वाला, ये 200 में से हमारा 1 नहीं आने वाला, या इसमें से हमारा 2 यहाँ नहीं आने वाला. ये हमारा अलग सेट है, ये हमारा अलग सेट है, ये दोनों इंडिपेंडेंट है. जब दो वेरिएबल इंडिपेंडेंट होते हैं और आप उसका एक्सपेक्टेशन लेते हो तो एक्सपेक्टेशन इंडिविजुअल प्रोडक्ट बन जाता है. उनके प्रोडक्ट का एक्सपेक्टेशन इंडिविजुअल एक्सपेक्टेशंस का प्रोडक्ट बन जाता है. यहाँ पे ई आएगा. ठीक है, एक मिनट वापस से लिख देती हूँ. एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स इंटू एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ वाई, ये हमको निकालना है. हमारे पास दोनों का प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है, हम 1 by 1 दोनों का एक्सपेक्टेशन निकालेंगे और फिर प्रोडक्ट ले लेंगे. सो फर्स्ट एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स. व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ एक्स? समेशन एक्स पी ऑफ एक्स. पुट वैल्यूज. अब मैं डायरेक्ट करूँगी. 1 into 1 by 100 will be 1 by 100. 2 into 1 by 100 2 by 100. 3 into 1 by 100 3 by 100, and so on. 100 by 100. Okay. Now this is equal to 100 is LCM, and ऊपर क्या है? 1 2 3. we'll take sum 1 plus 2 plus so on 2 plus 100. Now 1 2 3 so on up to 100 नंबर्स की सम कैसे लेंगे? तो हम यूज करेंगे सम ऑफ n नेचुरल नंबर. सम ऑफ n नेचुरल numbers. Formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. ये फॉर्मूला याद होना चाहिए. सम ऑफ n नेचुरल नंबर्स n into n plus 1 by 2. जब हम n नंबर्स की सम लेते हैं तो ये, जब हम अभी हम 100 नंबर्स की सम ले रहे हैं ना, तो हम n की जगह पे क्या पुट करेंगे? 100 पुट करेंगे. तो इस टर्म के इक्विवेलेंट क्या आ जाएगा? सो एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ x विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट? n इज 100. 100 plus 1 will be 101 divided by 2, and वहाँ पे एक और 100 है. so this 100 get cancel. 101 by 2. अपन अभी इसको ऐसे ही रखेंगे. This is what expectation of x. Now second we'll find expectation of y. Expectation of y is equal to summation of y into probability of y. अभी हमारे पास y की वैल्यू थी 1 2 3 so on up to 100, और उसकी probability थी 1 by 200 1 by 200. तो सिमिलर टाइप में आ जाएगा. सो पहला आ जाएगा 1 by 200, फिर 2 into 1 by 200 will be 2 by 200 plus 3 by 200 plus so on plus 200 by 200. अगेन द सेम फॉर्मूला, क्योंकि सम लेनी पड़ेगी ऊपर n नेचुरल नंबर्स की. जब हम एलसीएम ले लेंगे 200, व्हाट इज द न्यूमरेटर 1 प्लस 2 सो ऑन अप टू 200 नंबर्स. सो कैसे लेंगे इसकी सम? बाय यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला. सो एट द प्लेस ऑफ n पुट 200 plus 1 is 201 divided by 2 into this 200. This 200 get cancelled. So value is 201 by 2. Now this is expectation of y, this is expectation of x. What we need to find? Expectation of x into expectation of y. मैं सब erase करके डायरेक्ट पुटअप करके आंसर निकालती हूँ. Okay, so expectation of x आया 101 by 2. Expectation of y आया 201 by 2. प्रोडक्ट ले लेंगे 101 and 201. It will be 102 into 000 into 102 10302 20301 20301 by 4. So you will get some value. पॉइंट में आ जाएगा. आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? 5 times 0 7 times 2 1 5 times 1 0 2 times 2 0 5 times. So 5075 will be the value of what? Expectation of product. Okay, so this is the